everybody, I'm going to be doing my first Halloween look today, and this is actually a Saint look. So Saint came out with this palette for Halloween. I think it's like so it's $113, and it consists of the colors London, Midnight, Cupcake, Salem. I do not have the Black Friday eyeliner. I'm not someone that wears eyeliner, so I'll just be using like a black lip or eyeliner. And then also it comes with Starlit. This is not Starlit, this is Glamazing, but it's the only powder illuminator that I have. I don't typically wear illuminators because I'm an oily person, so it just, in my opinion, enhances the oiliness. And then Linen Highlight, and then Vanilla Dust powder just to set it all. So that's what I'll be using today. This is the look that they have created. So it's called Undead Glam. So I think it's a pretty cool look. I do plan on wearing this the remainder of the day. My boyfriend Richard would like to see this. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. This is like, well, I mean, other than like being like a bunny or stuff like that, or painting my kids' faces as clowns or yada, yada, yada when they were super small, I'm not really one to do Halloween makeup looks, but I want to start getting better at it. The only way to get better at doing something is to actually do it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to jump in and do this. Since this is just like well, no, it looks like they do have some contour on maybe, but I'm just going to do like purple up here and stuff. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the Linen Highlight. Let me move the Vanilla Dust, which is so dirty because I put it in with my creams and it'll get dirty. So I'm just gonna go in with the Linen Highlight and just put this everywhere. And I probably should prime my face, but I'm not going to. So weird to wear a color that does not match your skin tone. So this is a good, gentle reminder of if your color is too light. If I've matched you and it's too light and it's in like enhancing texture, we need to do a shade change. Anyway, so if it's enhancing a lot of texture like this, you would definitely know that this is the wrong color for you. First, it doesn't match anything, so it's like super, super white. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my eyelids as primer. Do I want to do any contour? It's so weird. I might do a little bit underneath the eyes and the forehead, and I'm just gonna use like a normal color, did I say highlight? I meant contour. I'm gonna use a normal color contour for this. This is olive contour. And then with your contour, so if it's breaking up, looks patchy, too cool, like we need to change your contour shade. So I can sometimes be Astoria, but most of the time I'm olive or stone. I'm gonna put some under the eyes just to darken it up here. Not that that's gonna take a lot of work. I've only watched one person actually perform this look. I think that Saint has a tutorial on the website. I just haven't watched it. I'm not gonna be as good at creating, well, that's not true. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and just wrap that brown around my eye. So Undead Glam. And then I also plan on doing a Scarecrow, a Day of the Dead, and I actually bought costumes for that. I have some of these little things here that you kind of just stick on your face or whatever. So do those. Okie dokie. I might do just, because I want to like draw the line. And then we will just enhance that with probably the Black Friday, or sorry, I don't have Black Friday, Salem. Let's get into the eyeshadows now. So I have my palette right here. You will probably use the Saint brushes. So I have the smudge brush, I have the eyeshadow brush, and then I have the multitasker. So I have all 3 of these Saint brushes. That's the good thing about Saint brushes, is they're all double-sided, which is fabulous. All right, I'm gonna start with the pencil brush and the Salem. And I'm just gonna start putting this under my eyes. I tried not to wear a bunch of skincare today because I didn't want it to kind of break up. Woo, that was a lot of black. That is so funny looking. All right, and then I'm gonna go ahead and do my crease. And then we're gonna be putting the purples on my eyes as well. I mean, this is not an overly complicated look. Yes. All right, so I'm gonna have to clean my brushes. Okay, now I'm gonna start. Well, let me do my eyes real quick. So I'm just gonna do, like a layer of the London right here. And then I'm gonna take Midnight right here. So that's that darker purple right here. And this does not need to be perfect for sure. Like some people are doing like 31 days of Halloween looks, and I mean, I don't have that kind of time because I have a full-time job, but it's pretty cool, you know? All right, I'm gonna start adding some like colors down my nose. Okay, so then I'm gonna start going in with this brush, prepared to clean my brushes at this point. I'm gonna actually do a layer of Midnight. So really trying to hollow out those cheeks. All right, I'm also gonna go up into the forehead. So again, this is the Midnight color. This is the blend brush, by the way. So if you like a light dusting of colors on your face or whatever, this is a great brush. All right, I'm gonna kind of just blend this black out with it. I'm gonna add some black for the top of it though. Just like a light dusting. So black is always going to be hard to blend. That's why it's nice to put a color down because it'll help it blend. And then I can go back in with the London or the Midnight to really blend this out. All right, so this is where I'm gonna go in with the Cupcake. If I have a brush that's clean. All right, so I'm just gonna grab a different brush. I'm gonna go in with Cupcake and highlight that brow. Yes, all my brushes will need to be cleaned after this, and I definitely recommend the Saint brush cleaner. It's amazing. Okay, so I think I will go ahead and line the inside of my eyes here. I'm gonna wipe this brush off as well as I can, and then I'm gonna put some of that, which is supposed to be Starlit, but I only have Glamazing, so I'm gonna put it like right here. So dark colors will stain your brushes, so just be prepared for that. All right, so going into that Illuminator. Bright lights, big city. That'll really show your pores. I think I'm actually gonna grab that black pencil. Okay, a little bit of linen. Okay, so this is where that Vanilla Dust setting powder comes in, but I'm not gonna use the Vanilla Dust just because I don't have, well, I have enough of it, but I would prefer to use a big brush. And this is the Laura Mercier powder. And I definitely want to set this because it's gonna move around just because that linen is not my color. Okay, all the brushes are gonna get clean. I'm gonna do my mascara and my lashes offline, and then I'll be back with the final look. All right, so just finishing up. And then I will have to go clean these brushes. But like I said, this is $113. I will link the entire collection for you, but this is what it looks like. And this is the final look. So I will get some well-lit window pictures for you because it's gonna look better in window light, daylight versus studio lighting. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Go ahead and like and follow or subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.